Welcome. If you want to make your Instagram posts even more fun and engaging, you're going to love this new update. Now, you can enable GIF comments on your posts using the Instagram app on your PC. This feature lets you and your followers express reactions with animated images, adding a whole new layer of creativity to your comments. Let's walk through the simple steps to turn on GIF comments for your posts. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll see a variety of icons. Click on the one labeled More. This will expand a new set of options for your account settings and features. Next, from the expanded menu, find and select Settings. This is where you can control most of your Instagram preferences. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Comments section. Click on it to open up all the options related to how people can interact with your posts. Inside the Comments section, you'll see a new option called Allow GIF comments. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to it. Once it's turned on, people will be able to use GIFs when commenting on your posts and reels. That's it. You've now enabled GIF comments for your Instagram posts. From now on, anyone who wants to leave a comment on your content can choose a GIF from Instagram's built-in library, making interactions on your posts more lively and entertaining. If you don't see the option yet, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, as new features can take a little time to roll out to everyone. Once it appears, just follow these steps, and you'll be ready to enjoy all the fun and creative GIF reactions from your followers. So go ahead, turn on GIF comments, and watch your Instagram community come alive with animated expressions and reactions.